So I've got a Quinn 1/2 inch from Harbor Freight. I'm going to be adding a little bit of silicone paste inside of it. Just kind of see what it does. I really like the Quinns. We're gonna see what it does. I'm using the Icon 4-piece ring set. We're just gonna take this out. I ain't never done this before, so we are going to see how badly I screw it up. As you can see, a little bit of grease, a little bit inside of it, not a whole lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit more to it, just to kind of see. Kind of helps it maybe a little bit in the long run. I don't know. Take a little bit of this. Oops. As you can tell, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know if this is right or not. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Put that back in there like that. Right there. This may not be right at all. But you know what? This is how you learn, right? That's why I'm doing it. As a learning experience. Let's kind of do just a little bit on it. Just kind of see. This is my first video like this that I've done. So bear with me as I work out the kinks. All right. I'm going to do that right there like that. Sit it down. All right. Make sure I don't screw this up. Put this back on here, right like that. Hey, look at there. What do you think? All right. Now, I really like these Icon snap ring pliers. That's what it does. See how it sounds. The other way. Not too shabby, huh? Y'all think it's gonna ruin it? Is that the right stuff to use? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I'll work in there a little bit. There you go. Quinn 1/2 inch.